In Jan's car we've installed a digital rear view mirror, so basically it's a video of what's behind you. I'm just going to show you what it's like. So that's the digital image of what's behind us. So obviously if I press screen, it gives you both front and the back view. Press it again, slide it over, that's the front of the camera, which is there in front of us. So if I do that, and if I do it again, it gives you the back one. If I slide it over, this gives you the videos of what's been recorded. So just basically driving to here now, you can see what we've got. It's the video. You can see it's a good quality picture. And obviously you can pick another one. Pick that one. This is just coming to Asda now. Oh, there's another one of Asda. And then obviously if I do the ordinary video, so basically behind me what was coming on my way here. Now the other day I followed Jan back and this is me behind the back of Jan in the car. We went and picked it up from Kia, and that's me behind her. So you can see how good a quality the camera is. Now Jan didn't want the camera on the outside of the car, underneath the registration plate. She wanted it inside. Don't know why, that's what she wanted. Now with this, just show you another one. This is another car behind her. And now if you have a look closely, you can see registration, the dates, the time, the stamp, what miles per hour she was going at, where she was positioned. So it gives you quite a bit of information on it. So if I just come back out of that now, bypass that arrow, it goes back to the normal screen. Like I said, if I do that, and that's the front of the camera, and you can see it's a good wide camera view. So the view is quite good on it. If she wanted to, she can just press that and take a photo. Or, I mean, it's recording now, but you can see it flashing in the top. It's recording. But obviously, if she wanted to lock it, she just presses this one, and then that will lock that footage. And back to the videos. You can see here in the top corner. Hang on. Come back out of that. You can see here the date, the time, how many miles per hour she's going. It's got GPS on top here. At the top, this is GPS. So it's just recording because of the GPS. Stop. It's voice activated as well. So that's Jan's rear view camera. And as we are talking now, if you have a look, Jan is just walking to us on the camera with the shopping trolley. And that's Jan with a mask on. Okay. There you go, that's Jan.